Hi guys, it's me Caitlin and here is Connor, and today we're going to be making Kimbap, which is basically a Korean sushi. So here is our rice, imitation of crab, radish, sausage, some greens, and egg, and we have this big sheet of rice. Seaweed. Seaweed.
What? Right.
So you should get a glove like this so if you don't want your hands to be dirty. And you put it on your left hand, like right here.
Left hand?
On the right. Yeah.
No way. Got it.
Wow. Can you tell your left hand?
Got it.
Wait. Okay, so first we're going to start putting our rice on the non-bumpy side. So we're going to start it off with the bumpy side faced up. You can tell because this one's smooth and this side's bumpy. So let's put our rice on. Make sure you cover these spots here. Okay, now that we're finish our rice, make sure it's flat, and now we're gonna be putting our egg first. Then we're gonna be putting the crab, and then sausage. That's why. Okay. 2 sausages. Maybe put some more rice on. Other sausage, then this radish, then this greens. So these are spinach greens. Now we're gonna roll it, which is gonna be complicated. So the key to rolling is make sure nothing rips and nothing falls out. So make sure you do it carefully. Looks pretty good. Should look kind of like this. Looks like a roll, nothing's falling out. Looks delicious. So now we're going to be cutting it to smaller pieces. Let's cut it. So this is the finished product. Should look kind of like this on the inside, like everything, yummy, all that stuff. So now we're gonna eat it. That's good. I don't know why.
Let me try some Kimbap. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Please subscribe to my channel to see more fun videos like these and how to make them. And please like this video if you want me to continue to make these videos. And